Happy holidays, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and we are at the halfway point with the Crafty Advent Calendar. Hope you've been enjoying the journey every single day. I will link my playlist here so you can catch up with all the goodies. Alrighty, let's see what today has in store. Let's get started. Okay, crafters, we are on day 15, which was right by 14, on the 15th day of Christmas my true love gave to me. Let's see. Oh, I think I need my Teflon bone folder to assist me. This is a nice set of flowers too. I'm loving the graphics here. I think it's really pretty. It's a cute little fish bowl with a goldfish, it looks like. Fun. There is that, I think it was the August Kit Club. That's the Nautical Kit Club with the goldfish and the whole thing with the bag. That could be fun with this too. All right, let's look at my example for day 15. Let's see if I went into the past Kit Club. Here is my day 15 example. I so love this. This little fish bowl with the little goldfish is so super cute. This piece goes on top of the fish right here. All of this that you're looking at is color wheel cardstock. In the background, that's a little bit of ink blending. So the story here is the fish is in the fish bowl dreaming that it's out in the ocean. That's why I put the coral too. I love this little card. I think this is such a cute A2 card. Tells a little story too. This just absolute fun. So you cut this out and then you put this behind it. I'm using indigo, seaside, saffron, and carrot color wheel cardstock for the bowl and the fish. On the fish here, I also put some glossy accent right there just to give it a little variation. I could have also done some ink blending, but I did it on the back. For the back, I'm using breezy and coral color wheel cardstock. Look at the coral color wheel, which is right up here. That's the color. Blended with some red ink. It turns into like a red, dark salmon. Very, very pretty colorway. And this is breezy, very light blue, with some salty ocean distress oxide on it. I think it's so pretty with these colors and the ink blending. Start off ink blending on colored cardstock. It just turns into like little magical things. I love that. For the background, I decided I had to go into the Tunnelscapes collection. And I had some choices. Rainbow Slice Tunnel, that wouldn't work here. All three of these two go on sale from time to time. These are like fabulous foundation dyes if you haven't seen it before. Tunnel Clouds. If this was a above ground scene, I probably would have used this one. So I ended up using the underwater tunnel dyes. Love this set. The one that you're seeing is this second one right here. And then I was looking at this and I was like, how could I incorporate some of this marine life? I used this bit right here that comes in the set. There is a little add-on die too for this. I'll put a link for it below. I'm detailing and linking everything I'm talking about. I could have also pulled something from that too. Both of them go on sale from time to time, but this is what I use. I was thinking of either of these as well, but I think this turned out well. I love red coral, like seeing it. That's why I put it against the blue. I think it's so pretty. So that's the underwater tunnel die. And then in the background, again, black cardstock. Cut out with precision layering A2 sets A, okay? For the sentiment, you're going to laugh where I got the sentiment from. The sentiment comes from the Silly Old Bear Sentiments Press Plate and Die. This is from the Classic Pooh collection, Winnie the Pooh. So you press or glimmer a series of sentiments and then die cut once. I use time for a little something. I think that works with this. Like the fish is like in his mind in the bowl. He's out here in the ocean. Time for a little something, I think. I think that's so fun and so cute. I hope it tells a story. At least it told a story to me. I love this card. I keep smiling every time I look at it. Alrighty, crafters, that's it for day 15. What do you think of this fun marine card? I adore it, clearly. As I said, everything will be detailed and linked below until day 16, crafters. Enjoy your holiday and come back and see what I have in store for day 16. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye!